My name is Michael Thomas. I'm a constable. I work at the Corporate Communications Unit and I am the lead graphic designer for the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
And you, sir?
My name is Detective Jerome Jones, Sergeant of Police. Attached to the Corporate and Special Services branch, I am the modern application technologist for corporate, affectionately known, right? And also for Jamaica Constabulary Force, I am the programmer, webmaster, proud webmaster for Jamaica Constabulary Force.
I am Crystal Morgan, Detective Sergeant. I work in the Project Portfolio Management Office and I serve in the role of Project Management Professional.
I'm Denise Benny, Sergeant of Police attached to the Telecommunications Division.
My name is Miguel Bernard. I'm an Assistant Superintendent of Police. I am a forensic ballistics expert, so I'm the head of the JCF's ballistics unit. Our job includes shooting incident reconstruction, firearm identification, firearm classification, and I'm also a pioneer in forensic firearm intelligence.
It's a great feeling to know that I can contribute my skill set to the JCF. And it's also a great feeling to know that I can play the dual role of being a police officer as well as a technician.
I like problem. If you don't have problem, I can really create a solution for you. And what we do, or what I do in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, is to locate those problems and put them in a script that we call codes, blocks of codes, and allow the solution to be automated. So work time is being cut, yet production increased.
Not only to be able to serve in the general capacity as a police officer, but to know that my unique skills and abilities, it is able to bring another perspective to, for example, investigations, to be able to assist in solving some of the most heinous crimes that are taking place across Jamaica. And so not only what it means for me, but also what it means for the people of Jamaica, the safety and security of the country. It is really an awesome feeling to know the contribution that I'm able to make.
What I bring to the JCF is something that is extraordinary. I'm a problem solver as well as a critical thinker. When I receive the information from the hierarchy or wherever, it is my responsibility to be innovative and creative in the way I break down and just try to disseminate the information to our stakeholders. And we would see that on our social media platforms, how we have taken interacting with the public in a very creative way. And we've been seeing very positive results just by the numbers that we've been receiving from our statistics department.
It is also an opportunity to provide delivery solutions to the projects that we manage. We manage all programs and projects in which that the organization undertakes. So we ensure that things are completed in time, within budget. We ensure that our internal customers are satisfied because that is also of paramount importance.
Growing up, I did not see myself as a police officer. Since joining the JCF, I have grown as a person because of that dimension to the JCF. And so I think somewhere, I can't tell you at which point I developed this love and interest for the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
I was walking home from school one afternoon and I met this lady and she told me that she did the police test. So I started questioning her about it. I said, what do you do? What did they ask you? What do you have to do? And she told me, and she encouraged me to join. Unfortunately, she didn't join. She's now a trained teacher, and now I'm a trained police officer. But I'm so happy I met that total stranger who told me about it, and that's what all I needed to come in.
Unlike my dear friend Sergeant Bennett, I was never a member of the cadet at high school. I had no interest in the cadet, but I had an interest to serve. And so I met a member one day while heading to the hospital, and we had conversations about the force, and I was encouraged to join. And let me say, I do not regret the decision. It has been an experience that each person would have to have for themselves.
I was an assistant teacher at the Malgully High School, and there was this teacher called Miss Horton, who would have taught me all that I learned. And one of such training was to learn the back end of technology. Mr. Horton took me into the force and said, hello, we can do good for you here. Your technological skills is really valuable and can make us an asset. And he would travel from Manchester with me every day to Kingston until I don't know how JCF hold me like this. And I am not sorry that I made the decision.
So I took a risk, I took a gamble. I spoke to all the policemen and women that I knew to get as much information as I could to just find out if this would be the right choice for me. There's a Jamaican saying that when man a plan, God a wipe out. And you never know where you will end up, but it's always important that you make plans and you work towards them. But where I'm at, I am making a significant contribution, not just to the organization that I work with, but to the nation that I serve.
If we don't invest our time in understanding how people operate, we can never ever fight crime effectively. We need them on our side, we have to partner with them. So there's no JCF without people.
What would the JCF be without the men and women who serve? And quality, technology, it could still be there, but there would be no point. The people, the men and women of the JCF is the greatest resource.
And so we have to ensure that the people are properly trained. We have to ensure about their welfare. We have to ensure that they are able to perform at the standard that is necessary for them to work efficiently and effectively and be productive.
There's so much talent, there's so much skills, there's so much gifting. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is really a reflection of our nation. We're a very talented set of persons, and you can find it in the JCF.
Many persons in Jamaica, they don't even understand the magnitude of the technology that we have. You will hear a lot of times that we need more technology, we need more technology. We have a lot of technology, and we are constantly changing, and as I said, the transformation, we are constantly changing with the time. People, quality, and technology, with the people being the main focus, both external to get to know the public, get to see that, let them see us as regular persons. We have a ballistic expert, we have a graphic designer, we have a webmaster, we have the people here. But at the end of the day, that is the main focus that we want to bring out. The technology and the quality supports that.
They say we, the people of JCF, want to serve the people of Jamaica to give you best quality using technology. It is as easy as that. It is so clear. This is just like a synopsis of the talent in JCF.